So Rebic will inbound it. Here's Vidmar, nice spin move, and an early dunk for Gasper Vidmar. That's why he leads the team in scoring, and a powerful finish right at the basket. Muric, Rupnik, nice pass, and Vidmar throws it down right over Myers. Oh, nice backdoor cut, and a nice find that time from Rebic for Misicek. Here's Timo. That's a tough pass, not a really good angle. Numbers for Slovenia. Here's Randolph. This time he's able to finish the lay-in. Timo just 1 of 6. And Chanchar, can he respond? And back and forth we go. 3 for 3 for 3. Rebic pulls up for 3. Oh, big shot that time from Matic Rebic. Rebic all over Strelnieks. Tima, nice roll, Zakis. Randolph swats it away. Nothing easy. Randolph, as you see, Zakis should have gone up for a strong dunk instead. So multiple chances and no payoff that time for Latvia. Here's Rebic, gets it to the lane, nice layup. Able to avoid Ate, got him on the hip.